Aloha. So, I am in Istanbul right now, but I'm heading to Cappadocia tomorrow. So, I need to buy myself a bus ticket. And if you had troubles buying that on the internet, like I did, for whatever reason, the websites wouldn't accept my cards. Maybe it's because I'm a, foreign bank account. Who knows? Because I found that in Egypt sometimes as well. Anyway, so I'm going to the shop to buy the bus ticket. And I stay near Galata Tower, but the place where I'm going to buy this bus ticket is very close. One stop on the metro in Taksim Square, or near Taksim Square. So, let's go ride the metro and buy this ticket. So just to mention, the metro system in Istanbul, to me, is a little confusing. Maybe I'm just not so tech savvy, but it took me forever to figure out the machines and how to select the language that you want. So everything was in Turkish and I couldn't understand anything. And the people that I met my first day when I was arriving from the airport, I took the bus to the city center and I'm trying to figure out how to buy a ticket. And not a lot of people spoke English, so I ended up running into this guy from Indonesia. I asked him, and he said he spoke a little bit of English, and he ended up swiping me in, so I didn't even figure out how to buy a card that first day. And I think the signage could be a little bit more obvious, or I don't know. Anyways, I have a card now, and there's enough money on it, I'm pretty sure, to take it one stop to Taksim Square, so... But yeah, in India, in New Delhi, they have an amazing metro system, surprisingly. I think it's a very good idea to see, how am I supposed to know where to go? I don't know. I'm gonna go this way. Yes, this way. But in India, they have, for each line, they have colored footprints. So if you're on, the red line, they'll have red footprints. Or the yellow line, and I think that's so smart to show you which direction you need to go in, because I don't read Hindi either, so but all right, enough of the metro here. If you are wondering if you're going in the right direction, they do have some of these little maps down here that show you which direction you're traveling in as well.
Attention, for your own safety, please stay behind the yellow line on the platform and do not hold down.
Alright guys, so I'm in Taksim Square, about to find, dang it's bright out here, about to find where I need to go. 6 minutes walking, it says. Not far at all. This way, perfect. We just got balloons. Okay, I don't know, I'm just used to Egypt not filming like the police and their guns. Anyways, I gotta go this way. Well, it's saying I'm here, Camel Kosh. However, I am not seeing any Camel Kosh. So I'm going to ask somebody. Camel Kosh. I'm just trying to find a place actually. Do you know this area? Marhaba. Sorry, do you know where this is? Camel Kosh? This way. Okay. Check it out. Okay. So, thankfully he knew. Up and this way is what he said. Not exactly where it says on Google Maps. Camel Kosh. This looks like a fancy hotel. How could it be this way? So, not exactly where you want it to be. Yes, I found it. Okay. Oh, kitty. Morning, sleepyhead. Okay, so this place, if you are going to go to it, is for Taksim Square location. It says that it's here, but it's actually here. Right by this little green park. So very close. Gotta cross the street and go back up a little bit. Right by this, past that fancy hotel. By that hotel. So there's lots of companies, but Turkish guy told me this is the best one, and they're all the same prices. So I'm going with these guys. Let's go find out how much a ticket is. Merhaba. I would like a ticket to Cappadocia.
Yeah.
With welcome, of course.
Yeah.
Cool.
Date?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Maybe something like 8 p.m.
Like 8:20.
Okay. Sure.
6:30.
Oh, in the morning. Okay, great. Huh?
Night.
Yes, I leave at night and then I get there in the morning. Yes. Whew.
Number 30.
Okay, seat 30.
Person 500.
500 lira, you got it. Okay, that's it. 500 lira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More. Oh, sure. So, 500 lira, bring your passport. Where do I go? Tomorrow, 8:20? Here?
Here she's 6:30. Here.
Here.
Yes, free shuttle transfer.
Oh, it's 6:30 to bring me to the bus. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, guys. So, yes, just bought the tickets. It was 500 lira, so under $30, like 20, 28, some change, 29. And simple. Bring your passport because they're going to ask you for it. And yeah, so the bus is pretty far outside of the city, so there's a shuttle bus that'll take you to the bus that's going to actually drive me to Cappadocia. I think it's like a 10-hour ride, something like that, maybe 12 hours. So, yes, I will see you in Cappadocia soon. And if you want to buy a ticket, I'll put it on the maps and show you where it is for Taksim area, because it's not exactly where it said it was, like I said. So, all right, catch you later. All right, guys, so I might have mentioned to you that buying a ticket for the metro in Istanbul, which covers ferries, trams, trains, the underground, all of that, is a little confusing. And so this is how you do it if you need to buy a ticket. So you actually just buy a card. To get to your language, you just press this button. Now we're on Great British. So English, yes, that's what I need. And you can just keep going up or down to find your language. So to get the card is 15 lira. And once you buy your card, it looks like this. And if you need to refill it, you just set it over here. And then you just input the amount of money that you want. You don't need to press anything on here. You would just put the money in here. 100 lira, 20, whatever you think you need. And that is it. So for example, I took the ferry to the Asian side from the European side. There's several different areas, but that costed me, I think, like 6 lira. So it's very cheap to travel with the metro and very convenient. They have a good system out here. Just a little bit difficult to figure out at first, but yeah, if you're looking to travel local transportation in Istanbul, that's how you do it. All right, guys, I'll see you later.